Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is your girl Shayna Violet, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install this glueless 5x5 closure wig from LUVMEHAIR. This has to be one of the easiest installs that I've done to date, and it literally took me no time at all to install. Make sure to keep watching for all the details. So this is LUVME's daily face framing 5x5 closure lace glueless wig. It's 18 inches and the knots did not come bleached, but the lace, I'm gonna tell you guys now, is phenomenal. The wig has clips on the inside as well as a wig band that is sewed into the wig. And here's all the extra goodies that came with the wig. I'm super excited because I have been all feeling for a bang wig. And guess who delivered? My favorite brand to work with, LUVMEHAIR. We love a no time wig. Like, that's just what I love about bang wigs, because you just are really those are the ultimate throw on and go and out the door. Like, that's it. If you're not subscribed already, make sure to tap that subscribe button, okay? Go ahead and do it. I'm gonna wait. Yeah, go ahead and do that, okay? And while you're at it, just tap that notification bell so you're alerted when I post new videos. Make sure to keep watching this one if you want to see how easy it is to put this wig on. And let's get started. Yeah, I got my nails done and I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. I've been wearing acrylics and I'm tired of it. Not acrylics, I've been wearing gel X and I'm tired of it. Like, I'm sick and tired of being sick and tired of not being able to do my hair like I want to, but yeah. Okay, how are we putting her on? We're just gonna spray her on. And because it's a bang, I mean, it doesn't really matter what happens up here. I'm gonna use my Eben, the red bottle. This is not the, not synthetic. This is not the, where is my other one? Sensitive. I'm actually gonna use a sensitive one. I have both. I like them both. I feel like they're both equally good. But I'm gonna use this one today. Yeah, I feel like I should use the protectant for today, but I normally don't use this. I don't really know what it be protecting, but whatever. So this skin protectant is from Eben. I make sure to clean the area that I'm applying the wig to with some rubbing alcohol, and then I'm following up with the skin protectant. The directions say not to spray it directly on your hairline, so that's why I'm not spraying it on my hairline. I'm spraying it on a cotton pad. It doesn't smell the best, but I mean, does any of the stuff that we use on our wigs or to install a wig smell good? Not really. Once it's dry, I'm going in with my edge control to mold the edges back. Usually I use hairspray, but I feel like hairspray isn't necessarily great for your hair and it's very drying for my hair. So I'm using this instead, and I feel like it does the trick. As always, I'm trying the wig on first to see if we're doing a bald cap or not, and this lace was giving without the bald cap, so we're not even gonna do that step today. More confirmation on how easy this bang wig is for real. Next up is my handy dandy tinted moisturizer. I'm using a shade that's 1 to 2 shades darker than my actual shade, and I'm going to put that all over the lace and put some more on top of the lace once I have the wig on. And look at that, giving scalp. Now, I did forget to mention, I bleached the knots off camera and the bleach took so well, y'all. Like, clearly you can see what it's giving. Now it's time for the spray. I only did 1 layer and that was good enough to last me for like 2 to 3 days. When cutting the lace, I use scissors. Some people use razors. I found that I cut myself more often than not when I use those. So I actually just bought some pinking shears and I'm going to test them out in my next install. I didn't get them yet. For the pieces that were lifting a bit, I went back in with the spray, but just on my fingers so I can control exactly where it's going. And then I'm using my comb and blow dryer to melt it all into place. Clearly, baby girl was excited with how this lace and just everything was turning out. I needed a little bit more tint on my lace though, so I went back in with whatever was left on my beauty blender and just, you know, worked some magic. I probably went back in with my beauty blender at least 3 times in the midst of now and the end of this video. I just want you guys to get into how I did not put a not a cap, not neck cap. Okay, this is just spray. Okay, it's looking a little crazy, just a little bit, but we're gonna just use it and see what happens. Yeah, be careful. We don't want to lift it back up now. I know I said we could edit, but we only want to do but so much editing. Okay, let's go back in with. You don't want to put too much on the front because honestly, like, you're not gonna see it per se because we're gonna have bangs. Do you already see them trying to poke out? Y'all ain't never see me with a little bang, like a straight little bang. I'm excited. All I had on this brush was bronzer, so I'm just cleaning up the space between my forehead and the wig since I did take off some of my makeup when cleaning up the spray. Okay, now it's time to take out the pin curls. I don't know about y'all, but I get so confused on the direction that you're supposed to curl your hair and the different size barrels I have for curling and winding my hair. It's not too far lost for me. So like I get it, but I don't. Now this hair was extremely silky, so the curls did not hold up as well as I thought they would have. Not that I thought they would hold up any better, but I had them pin curled for 2 days and I still feel like they fell after 10 minutes. So just be mindful of that if you get this wig. But overall, I think the curls came out pretty cute. All right, we're gonna take out the, Get it to her! Oh, baby. I don't care what she's giving. I think I'm gonna have to recurl some pieces, so let me just go ahead and plug this up. But y'all, like, I could literally walk out the house like this, and you see how long it took me? No time, okay? As of lately, I've been curling my hair off camera and on my mannequin just because I like being in my bed or on the couch, just sitting comfortable. I do need to get back into curling wigs on my head though, because when I say I was struggling here, I was struggling, and I just need to get back into the hang of it and get my hands readjusted to that line of work. I used some holding spray to try to give it some more volume, but honestly, the wig was not feeling that either. As I was playing with the bangs, I realized how much I missed bang wigs for real. Like, I used to bust these down in middle school, high school, and then I just stopped, and I don't know why, because this is cute. The bangs were a little long for my face, so I went in and feathered them a little bit shorter, and they were kind of thick too, so I just used some of my wax stick and hot combed the pieces that I just wanted out of the way back. I'm here for it. Y'all, I am obsessed. Like, I do wish that the curls were like a little bit bigger at the top, but this hair is just so like silky and soft that the curls aren't like super duper tight. I wish they were a little tighter. I wish I had a little bit more volume. For the most part, I'm like loving this wig. Now, I'm usually not bang girl. Y'all know I barely wear bangs, and if I do, it's like natural wigs, natural weaves, whatever. But let me find out I look good with a little bang. I do generally like the texture of this hair. It's not something that I normally work with just because, like, I don't know, silky hair just don't look good on me sometimes. It just depends. It depends on how the day's going, how my makeup's looking, like, whatever. Y'all know what I really love about this wig? I had to throw on my little corporate blazer because she is a corporate wig. She's a business casual wig. She is like, you can go from day to night wig. Like, come on now. She is everything that the girls requested plus more. Okay, I was a little skeptical because, you know, bangs sometimes on big heads just don't work, but she's cute. And especially like silky hair bangs, like, come on now. She's not too long to where it's like excessive or to where anybody's gonna be in the office like, hey, I see you got some new hair. It's giving, yeah, I just gotta blow out. Get out my face. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Y'all, when I tell you, get this wig. She is like an everyday throw on and go wig. I recorded this on my phone as well, just so I could make a reel or a TikTok, etc. And I looked at the thing, 48 minutes. 48 minutes. That's it. Granted, yes, I did curl the wig off camera, but It honestly came curled. Y'all seen it? It came curled when it came out the box. So if you really wanted to, you could wear it straight out the box, or you could diffuse it and do the natural curls and a little wavy look, you know, whatever floats your boat. But she is a yes. She's an add to the wig closet. She's giving scalp and with no cap. That's phenomenal. We love that. If I don't ever have to do a bald cap again, I won't, because I genuinely feel like it's a waste of time sometimes. Like, I have to add an extra cap on top of my braids to put a wig on top of, to then put makeup on top of the cap and the wig, and then concealer on top of that to make it even more crease. That's not what I did here. Threw it on and I'm about to go, okay? Comment down below, what are your thoughts on this wig? Are we feeling it? I feel like this side looks a lot better than this side. But this is my side, so it makes sense. It absolutely makes sense. I don't know why I always have a better side, but that's the life that I live, and I am living in my truth, okay? Of course, before you go, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit that thumbs up button if you like what you see, and how could you not? I'll be sure to leave the link to this wig down below in the description box. They did send me another wig, so be on the lookout for that video. You won't know it's posted until you subscribe and hit that notification bell, just saying. Be sure to share this with your friends, family, all the girlies that love a good, easy, throw on and go wig. Thank you guys again, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.